Now, why should you learn how to use Photoshop for teaching and learning? Isn't Photoshop a professional image editing tool that's extremely complex and takes years to fully understand its ever changing features? Photoshop is a professional image editing tool, but at its core, it's really not a difficult program to learn how to harness the incredible power of this extremely flexible tool. And that's exactly why you're here, because I'm going to strip away all the complexity for you and guide you through the essential features that you need to know to quickly and easily process your digital images, improve their look, and prepare them for use in your e learning materials. Now, if you're a teacher, a trainer, or an instructional designer, then you use a ton of images in your teaching and learning materials. It doesn't matter if you teach face to face, blended, or fully online. Images help you explain concepts, engage with your learners, and enhance the usability of your materials. Now, if you're a student, then you too are using a lot of images to illustrate your points, demonstrate your understanding of concepts, and showcase your work. Now, anyone who gives a presentation to a class, at a conference, or any business or organization needs to have a solid foundation in digital image literacy to refine your story and drive your points home in a memorable way. Now, for all of these reasons, you need a basic understanding of how to use Photoshop to get this done as quickly and as efficiently as possible. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this course. So buckle up and let's get going.